This is the Blockbusterli BBLI-zero-one, a humanoid robot built not for a factory floor, but for the creators, the visionaries, and the filmmakers who need a partner as dynamic as their imagination. In the video, you can see the BBLI-zero-one acting as a true assistant director, effortlessly handling gear and navigating the environment. Cameras act as the robot's eyes, depth sensors help it understand distance, and force sensors in its hands tell it how tightly to grip objects. All of this data feeds into neural networks that constantly update the robot's understanding of the environment in real time. Unfortunately, the BBLI-zero-one isn't a robot you can buy. It is a masterpiece of modern AI and live-action fusion. As the creators at Blockbuster Tech revealed in their April Fool's Day twist, the BBLI-zero-one doesn't actually exist in the physical world. Instead, it is a sophisticated AI-generated character seamlessly composited into real, high-quality live-action footage. It was designed to showcase the future of video production itself, proving that the robot that will truly change filmmaking isn't a machine that carries your tripod, but the AI technology that can create convincing, interactive characters and scenes. One of the best-kept secrets of the BBLI-zero-one is its revolutionary tendon drive actuation system. Unlike the noisy, clunky joints of past robots, these tendon-driven motors allow for silent, fluid movements that won't ruin your audio takes. Because the official site frames BBLI-zero-one as an April Fool's Day concept, those pre-order lines read more like part of the campaign than proof of a confirmed commercial launch, price, or shipping date.